Today, I'm going to show you how to add text behind moving objects in Premiere Pro. It's a neat effect that can add depth and creativity to your videos. Let's dive in. First, let's create our text. Select the Type tool and click on your preview window to start typing. Once you've entered your text, head over to the Essential Graphics panel to make any adjustments you need, like font style, size, and color. Now, extend the duration of your text layer to match your video layer. Next, duplicate your video layer. You can do this by holding down the Alt key and dragging the video layer up to create a copy. Place this duplicate layer above the text layer. Now, we're going to use the Color Key effect to make the text appear behind the moving object. Head over to the Effects panel and search for Color Key. Drag this effect onto the top video layer. With the top video layer selected, go to the Effect Controls panel and scroll down to find the Color Key settings. Use the Dropper tool to select the color behind your subject. Keep in mind that this effect works best if your foreground subject is a different color than the background. Finally, adjust the color tolerance and edge thin settings until your text appears behind the subject but doesn't remove parts of your text. And that's it! You've successfully added text behind moving objects in Premiere Pro. It's a simple but effective way to enhance your videos.